Our ShimmerClick Sequin panels are our newest Shimmerwalls product. They are different to our standard sequin boards as they use up to 50% less plastic per square metre and are equipped with our patented clicking system, designed to easily connect boards using a clicking mechanism. Our ShimmerClick sequins come in two different sizes, depending on the requirements of your project. Our standard sequins measure 30mm in diameter each and are better for basic shapes, simple patterns, and single colour shimmer walls. Our micro sequins measure 16mm each and are better for more complex patterns and logos. The micro sequins achieve 4 times the resolution of the standard sequins. We offer over 30 stock colours and finishes, ranging from metallic golds and silvers to fluorescent pinks and holographics. We can also create bespoke sequins to best fit your Pantone colour to suit your branding requirements. The backing of our ShimmerClick panels come in either black or transparent. However, we can paint these a different colour to best suit your project. Take a look at our ShimmerClick's product page for more information.